We're gonna be playing Garten of BanBan. Boots. Alright, new game. What is a Garten? I don't know. I don't know. You don't know. Guess we'll find out. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance the time. Oh god. Oh, door's open. Oh. Uh-oh. What did that just do? Oh, red. Oh. Alright. Oh, BanBan's kindergarten. Garten of BanBan. Ah. Okay, I got a key card. Can I leave? Okay, shift to sprint. Boots. Boots. Yes, boots. Creativity area. Eat vegetables and fruit to become strong like me. Jumbo Josh says. I know a Jumbo Josh. In real life. Having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. Stinger Flynn. Stinger Flynn, huh? You're like a fucking alien. Alright. Let's go check out, I think that key card we can use here. Yep. Oh. Door's open. Is it a drone? Okay. Can I fly the drone? The remote requires 2 batteries. Dear Mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. Monster, me, Claire. Oh. Oh, kid. I'm all for it. Hey, you're trying to... You got game? My son's got game? Let's go. Let's fucking go. Oop, battery. There's the other one. Okay, now this should work. I think I can use it on that drone, right? Oh! Hey! What are you doing? Bro got the Xbox 360 drone. Oh, no, I want you to go there. No. Ooh. Oh, okay. So... I can like teleport my drone around and stuff? What did that do? Can I open this? What is... Okay, that's not doing anything. What about this over here? Hurry up. You're red now. Ah, there we go. Oh! What are you? Oh, nah, get back here. Get back here. You're not getting away like that. Oh, maybe he is. I don't want to go in there. Oh, I don't like that at all. The end is here. Toy cannot be directly commanded to break materials such as yellow glass. Okay. Can be directed to break that? No. Okay. Sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine. Okay, so you're BanBan. BanBan. You're not that good of a guy, it would seem. You want my pancreas? Naughty corner. Guess I'm in the naughty corner. So, okay, yeah, this needs like a yellow key card. The end is near. Can I open any of these? No, this door. What about that? Doesn't look like I can do anything with it. I guess we'll go in here. Or no, let's see. Captain Fiddle says, Ooga booga, booga ooga. Banbalina says, kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. You know, this game is just filled with so much positivity. I'm loving this. Oh. Oh. Shoot. Okay, so I had that color keycard. Oh, that's the dude. That's the dude who was looking at me. Ball pit closed. Bro, you were looking at me. Find eggs to feed Opila bird. Opila bird mission. Opila bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. All right, I can do that. There's one. Can I get on the slide? No. It's lame. Oh, what did that just do? Now can I go down the slide? Because that was sort of like hidden, so that makes me think that it's got something special going on. Oh, there's another egg. Again, I'm still pretty sick, so if I sound weird, that's why. Number 3? Alright, let's teleport the drone in here. Buddy, you gonna do it? Where are you at? Where are you? Where? Where is he? There we go. Alright, there we go. Now he'll do it. Any more eggs? Are there any eggs in like these trees? Oh, egg fell out of the slide. That's neat. Ah, there's another one. Come on, come on. Alright, I think that should be all of them, right? Because I needed 4? Oh, I need 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I need 1 more. Maybe in this boat. I bet that's where it is. Yep. Alright. Bird. You gonna get me? You gonna blow up or something? Oh, oh, I do not like that. Oh, okay. Yellow key card. Jeez. That thing was looking at me earlier too. I don't like that. Man. Alright, that should lower this yellow glass? Or not? Alright, let's see. Can we open anywhere else up now that we have this yellow key card? Oh my god, I keep running into that glass. There's purple and orange. I wonder if there's anything back here we could open. It's yellow. I don't remember. This is the electrical thing. No. The end is here. Maybe if I can like angle it right, it'll go in. Nope. Come on, fly in the right direction, buddy. Oh, he broke it. There we go. Ah, now this door's open. Let's see. Distraction at 1. Oh god, do I want to turn around? Oh god, that was scary. I was certain I was going to turn around and there was just going to be something there. Okay, I think we can use that hammer over on the wood. Yeah, there we go. Get out of my way, son. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Opila Bird says, laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. I will. Um, what am I doing here? Oh, yellow. Okay. Oh, frick. Bloody bird prints. Is that a couch? Does it want me to get on this? Okay. Oh, that. Why is this in a kindergarten? And whoa, where does that lead to? That's the bird crawled out of there. Oh God. Oh, and I need to remember their colors. They jump off? Jesus. Doing that. Making noise that scare me. Oh, I alone. I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason, see me but go. I am scared because hole is loud and my friends scream in it, but bird is funny. So the bird does some pretty creepy stuff down there in that hole. Okay. Uh you were you were orange. You were orange. I know this one was white. He was red. You were pink or purple. Uh, what's like the closest color to it? Yeah, you okay? You were that color, not that color. You're that color. Am I gonna have to go back? I don't remember. Uh, or is it just gonna go down there? Oh, it stops. Okay. You were green. You were blue. Yeah. All right, and that's the orange one. God. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Uh. 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 Okay. Oh, that's actually scary. I want to be reincarnated. Yeah. What the heck? That was actually scary. The thing. Hit the thing. Hit the thing. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Stop looking at me. Okay. Okay, he can get me from there. God dang. Oh. He's murking people out here, and you can't even go over here. Oh god. Stay away from me. Come on. Come on, hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Please? Oh god. Ah. 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 Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I missed. I've never been like this scared of a bird before. What the heck? I bet I could beat him in a fight. Is he like a robot or what is he? Like is this like a FNAF thing? What's going on here? Oh god. Okay, go. 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 Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. No! If this gave me like a FNAF jump scare every time the bird killed me, I would not be alive anymore. And it follows you, dude. It follows you. No, 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 no. You're not getting me that easy. Eh. Oh Oh god! Oh god! Go, 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 go! Oh god! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Ah, you can't catch me. I'm the... Oh god. No, no, no! What? 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 Go, 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 go! No! No! Ah! Come on, come on, come on! Ha! Get back down in that hole. Oh god, he hit that ground hard. I need to get out of here. Oh god. We need to leave. We gotta go. We gotta go. Where's my dude? We gotta go. I guess we're going in here. Oh my god, that bird scared me way too much. Jesus, man. So quiet in here. Oh no. That. Why isn't that on? Oh wait, there's a note. Boarding pass. Name. Uthman Adam from Montreal to Madrid. Class E. Yada yada yada. Present at check-in. Boarding time 3:23. Date 2016, huh? So, where does that work? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, it was that thing. I was feeding the real thing and it had a key card in its mouth. Gross, dude. Okay. What do I do with this boarding pass? For me? Oh, thank you. Oh. Oh, I don't like that. Oh God. I really don't like that. That that was really bad. That was really scary. Okay. This thing keeps moving. I hate that. I hated that. That whole thing, that was awful. That was horrible. All of that. There we go. Oh, this whole thing just makes me just... I don't like this. Please shut the door behind me. Please shut the door. What did that do? Well, seriously, what did that do? Did that open the electrical door, or what's going on? No? BanBan's kindergarten. Terrifying. Oh. Uh-oh. 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 Go get him. Go get him, drone. Where'd the floor go? Oh. Okay. An elevator? Guess that's cool. Yeah, I'll hop on. Uh, okay. Let's go. Let's go, drone. I have so much anxiety from this game. And I'm in like a black... What was that? That was a purple thing over there. Not like the bird from earlier. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh. No. Oh, who's the green guy? Oh, it's him. Um, I'm dead. I guess I'm dead. Okay. Well, that was short but great. Honestly, that bird gave me so much anxiety for no reason at all. I've never felt that way before. Holy crap. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a comment, and when part 2 comes out, we'll definitely play it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.